We're going to the highest bar in the world.
We're going down right now.
We're here at the rooftop of Ozone, which is the highest bar in the world, and they have the highest prices in the world too. So, a soft drink is 98 Hong Kong dollars, which is like $20 Canadian. Cocktail, $188. That's like $30 Canadian. Outside right now. We're on the 118th floor of this building. So we're really high. There's some nice fires to keep you warm. You get free popcorn, so that's almost worth it. They also give complimentary scarves, so you get to take it home.
You have to give it back, isn't it?
Oh. Alright, so that was the world's highest bar. Very cool to look at. We suggest sharing a drink, one for 4 people. It's very expensive, but it's super cool. Definitely check it out if you're ever here in Hong Kong. See you soon.